Okay.
Kapag dito si Aling Larky.
Old place. All at Epic Info Newsfed. Big shout out. Una ka na GL. Kasi
Natin ngayon.
going inside.
Tapos nung nawala na dito doon ako, pati yung episode doon na rin sa taas nagtitimba.
Oh. Okay, baby ko. Okay, baby.
I want banana.
We don't have banana. Do you have banana? That is a green banana. Hindi ako dado.
Is the green banana good?
Yeah.
I want to taste.
Yeah. Let's go and
Can I taste?
give this. Just put this here.
Can I
This
taste?
baby. Put this here.
Can I taste it? Can I taste the green banana? Can I taste the green banana if it's delicious? What is the
Yes,
medicine
baby.
for?
For
Tapos
mommy.
sila pastor doon nakikirin sila diyan. Sila pastor.
Ay,
Wala, may galap shoutout.
naman po sila.
Yung dinaanan natin yung
Okay.
Ay, dinana natin nung galing tayo kila sa
Hola.
Yan sila.
Okay.
We're done visiting our
Ay, si Sayan nandiyan
old
din.
church. Nasaan?
Sabi na nga ba,
Oh, yan.
nakikita din.
Bye pa.
Nakantay
O,
daw.
sandali lang daw.
Sulat ata.
May sulat. Pumunta po sila doon. Hola, may galap.
Graduation po.
May graduation.
Sulat doon.
Eh, Kuya Di, bye-bye.
Bye, Kuya Steve.
Bye-bye.
Am I crazy?
Yeah. Our new place, yes, at Epic Info Newsfed. We visited our old church. Now it's renovated.
Oo.
Ano kayo na kung pwede pati yung lugawan, kainan. Malapit po sila dito.
Dito sila nakatira.
Nakakamiss din. Tapos naglakad lang kami dito ni Ate Gadale, dito ni Gadley, pag may bibiliin kami. Di ba may unahan po dyan yan na bilihan? Na shop, yun, Shopwise. Naglalakad lang kami ni Ate.
Okay, we're going to the airport now.
We're going to the
Nabili
airport.
yung ano?
Po?
Nabili yung gamot.
Opo, nabili po. So, may galap shout out to our
Magkano isa?
40, 20 yung isang banig.
Shopwise.
Yan yung Shopwise.
Ito.
Ang laki din yan na ano. Naglakad lang kami dito.
Shakey's.
Malapit lang naman.
Shopee.
Shopwise. Love shout out to our 1 likers and 22 live viewers. Ayos pa tayo mamaya. Nakatulog si Hana Bipod. Paano kaya ito? Paano kaya ito? Gisingin mo siya na di pag nasa airport na tayo, sabihin mo na makababa na. It's afternoon time here in the Philippines. We're here in Manila. Sa Makati pa tayo po. Ano?
Mommy, that's my spot.
Your spot, we can exchange. Hola. Here. Big love shout out to our YouTube live commenter we have here. Epic Info Newsfed. Big love shout out to you. Welcome to... Saan po kuya? It's 4:09 in the afternoon.